Hello and welcome to another video. If you never came across my YouTube channel, my name is Tia and I am a stand-up comedian and content creator. A lot of traveling, vlogs, tips, advices and a lot of stand-up. Few days into take a flight to Portugal, visit my parents, visit my family and just rest a little bit from the chaotic that has been this year. From like changing from London to the south, adapting my life to the work that I'm right now, all the stuff. So I decided I woke up earlier, even without work. I'm on my days off work, my last day off work to be honest, and then working and then holidays. So I'm on my day off work and I woke up earlier. I look at the clock and I was just like, hey, okay. Why not go for a walk? It's been a long time since like I did a proper walk, apart from the London one that you've probably seen on the YouTube channel, or if you didn't, go check it out. It's been a while that I've did like long walks. I just got a little bit down in my morale and my motivation, and it's just like, hey, I don't know, I just don't feel it, because like for a while, and this is I'm like recording this talk on the GoPro. For a while I felt it was like I wanted to like document traveling and going to places, but just with the GoPro would lack a lot of sharpness, quality, contrast. So that didn't motivate me to go out. That didn't motivate me to like just go for a walk. You take your camera and you try to take the best out of it. You just didn't. It's just like, why? What's the point? What? So that was my thoughts per most. So now, and this is the new introduction to a new short investment, not like a huge investment. So I bought this small camera, this compact camera, a camera that was like manufactured 2014, and I thought like, why not like getting a small investment on like a compact camera just to take photography and occasionally do a video here and there, but the main focus is not video, is photography. So just like, yeah, why not? That way like I motivate myself to go search around, to go search places nearby where I live, and this is the case, and just trying to like take photos, and if nothing else, maybe some photos for Patreon, because like I post a lot of my photos even back then with like the I used to post a lot of photos from my walks. I said like, why not? It could be nice, it could be fun. That way I take my mind out of just like home, work, groceries, and that's like my day. And occasionally once a month, either going to perform or going to watch a live event somewhere. Trying to save with like a minimum wage type of salary. It's not easy, but it can be achievable. I can put a little bit on the other side every month and trying to make like a good safe net. It is still hard to do though. Trying to budget all the stuff, trying to plan all the stuff. So just like, yeah, okay, an investment of like around 200-300 pounds on a compact camera just to get my mind off like just staying at home, just being depressed because like I'm not doing what I wish I was doing. It will be good for my sanity. And today was the proof of that. Today like I did around 7 miles. The red line that you see is my path back and forward, like that's the indication of it. My path was like straight down like near the beach. There is a nice path over there. Yeah, I had good time. So overall I had good time. Most compact cameras, that's one of the things that is interesting. Like most compact cameras in terms of photography, great photography, megapixel, the stuff, it might be lower than like what is now, but it's a great quality. But like when it comes to video, that's like where you notice more the lack of quality, especially on that part that is like more different from the rest. Like I've tried to document a little bit on video, so you will see here, it'll give you an idea. The photos also give you an idea, and it's a nice way to just have different stuff. I enjoy the way that's like these low resolution type of video, not traditional vlog-ish. I might try to adapt though the photos the normal vlogging that I do, sort of a hybrid approach, recording the path walk, the normal walk with the GoPro, and then here and there like show the photo on a big screen, like instead of the ones like I show normally that's just like a little square here and there, maybe like show like on a big screen. But that's just an approach, like an idea yet. I'm not sure how I can convert this into the actual video, but it's an idea. It's an interesting thought that I have that I might try here and there, because like I can try to create like some sort with low resolution stuff, like my idea, the way that I view this as well as video is just like I can create low resolution videos that like gives sort of a nostalgic vibe. That could be interesting, but again, I'm not sure how that will play apart from like theory. For now it's theory on the stuff, have that footage and the voiceover stuff. It could be a cool idea, different style, different approach to what I normally bring to the channel. But again, I'm truly not completely sure how that will look. Because in theory, looks great. In theory, most of these ideas look great, but then you try to plan it out. You try to set it up like to your abilities in editing, to all the stuff. And yeah, in theory sounded good, but in reality, I don't like it. So for now it's just ideas. I don't know, for now it's just, I think the main point that I can take here is just to have fun. I'm just gonna try once in a while to just go around like nearby Bognor Regis and try to search towns nearby, walk around, find new stuff. If I take pictures or if I record a video or whatever, it's just something else. But yeah, I don't know, could be fun. Plus it will take me out of the house, so that's nice. Taking me out of the house, enjoying. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you leave a like. You share with your friends, you maybe add those places to your wish list, who knows. And this is the jacket. Say hello, jacket. Hello, hello. This is so silly. Anyway, if you truly enjoy, just, yeah, stay tuned for more. And yeah, I will try to bring as much as I can. Different styles, different things, and yeah.